Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to summarize what we learned in the previous videos and check our schema the last time before starting the real testing of the REST API. Let's begin. This time we don't use the browser but the Postman. Postman is also the client app. Once you set test data, the valid URL and the valid request method and click send. The same happens as with searching for the home page in the browser. Then, the client app, the Postman, generates an HTTP request. It has sections from and to with the IP addresses of the client and the server. The protocol is HTTPS. The method is GET. The domain name is petstore.swagger.io. The resource is v2/pet1. The request goes through a long journey on the internet. The cloud knows to which server the request should be delivered, as the IP address is specified in the request. As we discussed before, the domain name is actually the IP address of the server, something like the physical address of the house with the country, region, street, and house number. But if we talk about the past part, then it will be a little bit different. The v2/pet is the resource, so the API is a resource by itself. As we said, it is something like you will specify under the stairs. And the last part, /1, is related to another resource, and that resource is a particular pet. You localize the exact space where it sits, and tell particularly which cat you want to get. And this time the example is related to the cat, not to the coffee. Anyway, the server catches the cat under the stairs, puts it into the JSON and sends it back. The server returns the status code 200 OK. This means that the server found the cat and was able to catch it. So the server sends the data about the cat. The cat's name is Tom. Its ID is 1, the same as in the past. And you can buy him if you want because the status is available. The response is sent through the internet back to the Postman app. I left the cat's image there in the response, but it is not exactly right. In reality, you won't receive the cat. You will receive only the information about the cat. The resource is still in the database of the server. Tom still sits under the stairs at the service house. You will just receive the information about Tom, not the real Tom. The request is finally in the client app, the Postman. Postman has the UI for us humans, so we will be able to see the information sent by the server. You receive the request and you see the cat is available. So as the end user, you see that Tom's status is available. You like Tom, so you want to buy it. So you need to send another request, the put request in this case. And everything starts over again. Finally, we are done with the schemas, tables, screenshots, terms and definitions. It is time to get our hands dirty. In the next video, we will finally write our first API tests. Hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. If you like cats, leave a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. See you in the next video.